We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
A delicious and unique Hakka sauce is kumquat sauce. This is hand-produced in very small quantities. The tiny fruit are peeled by hand, cooked with salt, sugar, chili, and other spices. After cooling, the mixture is sieved and bottled. Typically Hakka, this sauce resulted from a reluctance to waste a serving of kumquats in years when the harvest was abundant. This piquant sauce is used on everything from chicken to plain vegetables. If you ever see it for sale, snap it up. As it is produced for home use, the quality is always high. Hi, it's time now for our Hakka lesson of the day. Once again, our teacher Alice Paul.
Hi, 你好，大家好。
Hi, 你好, Taikaho means hello everybody. Now, we've got a lot of great response from yesterday's program. Can you teach us one more song? 我们今天再来听一首流行歌曲好吗？
天公落水。
It's raining. Okay, go ahead.
天公啊，落水哦，阿妹耶，带点草木来到行水边。
I have no idea what that song is about, but I do know it's about the weather. It's raining. 下雨然后怎样？
天空下雨了，带着草帽，带点草木诶，来到那个行水边，就是这个小溪边。
Okay. So the weather is raining, and this guy is wearing grass hat, and he's by the riverside. Okay, let's dissect the lyrics one more time. 我们来这个分解歌词。Alice, please.
天公啊，落水哦，就是天空下雨了，落水嘞。
It's raining.
阿妹呀，阿妹就是我的意思啦。我係寫阿妹，你係阿哥。帶點草帽來到行水邊，就是帶着草帽來到溪水邊。
She's wearing a grass hat, and she's by the riverside. Now, one more time, if you don't think this is good enough, 再来一次好了。
天空啊，落水哦，阿妹耶，帶點草帽來到行水邊。
Okay, that's our lesson of the day. Once again, we'd like to say thank you, Alice, and
是莫太噶，
這麼太嘎，
安子些。
安子say thank you very much.
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.